We're live.
Okay, so right now what we've got are two different adhesives. We've got mastic, which is the organic stuff. These are each water-based, and thin set. This is like a cementous material, and it's always good to get modified if you can. And typically, if I have a lighter grout, then I would go with the color of thin set that would match the grout as best as possible. So, you know, you can't get a perfect color. Usually it's either gray or white. In this case I've got white tile. So I have some mesh tape set. It's also usually a very good idea if you can to set kind of glue the mesh tape in the corner, and then also you want to mesh tape your seams. I have some V-caps set, and these are set with mastic like we were talking about, and the mastic is gonna set slower, so you have a little bit of time to, you know, make some adjustments. So these are gonna move around a bit, and I'll come back and make some adjustments on these. I went ahead and pre-cut this deck, and sometimes you can pre-cut your tile, and sometimes it's easier just to set your tile and then make your cuts. And this tile doesn't have spacers on it, which would kind of give you a grout joint. They have to just be spaced by eye. But in a perfect world, you'll have a little bit of grout in between the tile. Now, the one advantage of taking some time and getting your lines pretty consistent is that the tile will lay flatter. And so in a perfect world, if your tile is, if your surface is flat, that's another main thing, because you might think that you can add extra adhesive to the tile to make the surface flat, but it's always better to go ahead and make sure that your surface is flat before you set your tile. So that's pretty much it. You can kind of see that these tile are a little bit lower. Like I was saying, the mastic is a little bit more forgiving. We'll be able to kind of straighten those up and flush everything out, and roll with the deck. And as soon as it's done, we'll move on to the backsplash. Go from there.